Continuing on examples on calculating horizontal asymptotes, here's the function g of x equal to x cubed minus 2x to the power of 8. And so what I know about this function, it's a polynomial. And the degree of this polynomial is 8. And therefore, the end behavior follows the coefficient, the leading coefficient. Leading coefficient is equal to -2, and therefore I'm expecting downward on the two ends, basically. And so I can either use that and say limit of g of x as x goes to plus or minus infinity is equal to -infinity. Or I can use the new knowledge that I have, and the new knowledge tells me that I can basically factor out x to the highest power. And so I can write limit x to the power 8, x to the third over x to the 8 minus 2 as x goes to plus or minus infinity. And then in this case, it would become limit x to the 8, 1 over x to the 5th minus 2, x goes to plus or minus infinity. This part, if I bring the limit in, is going to go to 0. So I end up with limit of -2x to the power 8, x goes to plus minus infinity. In both cases, this is going to be x to the 8 is going to be positive infinity, and times a negative sign, and it's going to give me a negative infinity. So no horizontal asymptotes, and behavior goes to -infinity.